Hello traders, you're welcome back to this channel, the Forex Geek channel, and I specifically welcome you to this video. Alright, in this video we are going to be diving deep into the Ichimoku trading strategy. Okay, the Ichimoku indicator. Remember that the Ichimoku indicator is an effective indicator that a lot of traders use. So we're just going to be looking at a strategy that revolves around the Ichimoku indicator. So if you've mastered the basics of Ichimoku and are looking to elevate your trading skills, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down some advanced techniques that will help you understand trends, momentum, and those all important entry and exit points. First things first, let's remember that the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is not just one indicator. It's a full trading system. Okay, let us first add it to the charts. Alright, let's add on the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo to the chart. Okay, alright. Now with the Kumo Cloud, the Tenkan-Sen, the Kijun-Sen, the Chikou Span, and the Senkou Span. Let us look at all of them individually, right? Alright. Now we can see the Tenkan-Sen is the red line, the Kijun-Sen is the blue line, the Chikou Span is the lime line. Then we have the Kumo Cloud. This is the Kumo Cloud, right? This stuff here is the Kumo Cloud. Then the up Kumo is the one that has this, sandy brown color. Then the down Kumo is the one that has this hazel color, right? You can see. Okay, so basically that is it. All right. Now, all these components work together to give us a comprehensive view of the market. Okay, let's start with the Kumo Cloud. Many traders know the Kumo Cloud shows us supports and resistance zones. Like in this situation now, we can see that the Kumo Cloud is actually serving as support. Can we see? We can see how price is bouncing off the Kumo Cloud. The Kumo Cloud is serving as a dynamic support. All right. So it's a great way to gauge market sentiment. In this advanced setup, we'll be looking at how the thickness of the cloud can indicate potential trend strength. Okay, a thin cloud suggests weak trends that might reverse. Okay, for example, we can see that at this point, you can see how weak, how thin the cloud was, and just shortly afterwards, the price of GBP USD broke above it because at this point it was serving as a resistance, right? But shortly afterwards, the price of the asset broke above it, showing that at this point the resistance was weak. That's the reason why the Kumo cloud was thin. But here, as it got thicker, you can see how it kept on rejecting price over and over again. Okay, all right. Now, by watching how price reacts or interacts with the cloud, you can get a heads up on potential breakouts or breakdowns, right? Next, let's move to the Tenkan-Sen and Kijun-Sen lines. Okay, remember, the Kijun-Sen is the blue line, while the Tenkan-Sen is the red line. Okay, now we know it's a Tenkan Kijun course can show us possible trade entries. Okay, like for example, when you have the red line crossed above the blue line, it can give you possible buy signal. It's a buy entry point. On the other hand, when you have the red line which is the Tenkan-Sen, when you have the Tenkan-Sen cross below the when you have the Tenkan-Sen cross below the Kijun-Sen, then you have a bearish signal. Okay, so if you see a bullish cross above the cloud, if you see a bullish cross happening above the Kumo cloud, okay, above the Kumo cloud, like what happened here, all right, it's a strong indication of an upward momentum, while a bearish cross below the Kumo cloud hints at possible downward momentum. Okay, like for example, let us see if we can find a cross. Okay, we can see in this example we had, let us go back up, we had the Kumo cloud here, and price broke below it, meaning that the Kumo Cloud turned into a resistance. And then we had the Tenkan-Sen cross below the Kijun-Sen, right? The Kijun-Sen, the Tenkan-Sen crossed below the Kijun-Sen, and then that happened below the Kumo Cloud. So it showed a strong bearish momentum, and we can see how price dropped all the way down from that point to here. Okay, so we would have caught over 2,500 pips, right? We have caught over 2,500 pips had it been we had reading that move. Okay, that was a great catch. Now the Chikou span, which is the green line, the Chikou span or the lagging line, is often overlooked but is super valuable for confirmation. Now the Chikou span should align with the price action to validate your entries. If the span is above the price and the other signals align, you've got an additional layer of confidence in the trade. Okay. Now, one thing with the Chikou span is that for a bearish trend, the Chikou span will be under the price, and then for a bullish trend, the Chikou span will be above the price. So note that, okay, so you don't make a mistake. The Chikou span does not serve as support and resistance. Okay. Instead, if it's going to be serving as support and resistance, it's going to be serving as a support in a bearish trend and a resistance in a bullish trend. Well, what I mean is it's it's kind of support and resistance is not for reversals, it's only for pullbacks. Okay, like for example in this bearish trend, if the Chikou span serves as a support in a bearish trend, it means it is just indicating pullbacks, not reversals. Okay, so that's what I mean. All right, so let's put it all together. We can see the example I gave both for the bearish move and for this bullish move. You can see now them, how the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo gave us signals, and how the Kumo Cloud, the Tenkan-Sen, the Kijun-Sen all work together to give a complete system, right? Exit signals, entry signals, and you know it's really effective. Okay, but it does not guarantee profit. Okay, please take note of that. I encourage you to practice on the demo account first. It takes time to get comfortable with how each part of the Ichimoku system interacts, especially in different market conditions. But with proper understanding, you'll have greater insight into high probability trades and improve timing for your entries and exits. If this video helped you understand the advanced Ichimoku system better, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into trading techniques. Also, drop a comment below if there are specific setups or Ichimoku strategies you'd like to see in action in our future videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading.